What is valuation area or valuation level? The valuation area/level is simply the level at which a company wants to valuate its inventory. If you define valuation at the plant level, you will need to define a separate valuation area for each plant, and stock materials will be evaluated separately for each plant. What do you know about SAP MM? AP has a functional module which is known as SAP MM. It looks after the management of the material and obtaining handling. The module consists mainly of master data, the configuration of the system, and transactions to complete the procurement-to-pay process. Do you know about organizational structure in the MM module? The structure in the MM module is a ladder in which various organizational units are arranged designed according to the functions and tasks of each of them. The units that make the structure of the organization are as given below. The first is the client, and this unit is independent. This unit has a different record system and well as its own table sets. The second is the company code. This is one of the smaller units of the organization. For the need for external reports, one can make a self-reliant account set for the unit of company code. The third is the plan. This is where the supplies are formed and the services and goods are given. The industry can be broken down into different plants based on maintenance, supplies, production, procurement, etc. The next is the location of the storage. The produced goods are kept in this unit. The next is the number of the warehouse. This shows the system of the warehouse. It is different for every area of storage and organization. After that is the storage type, which tells one the different areas such as issuing area, area for picking up the goods, etc. The next is the organization of the purchasing, which is the unit that negotiates with others for purchasing and also obtains the services and the material.